How to redeem your Domino's gift card. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can redeem your Domino's gift card, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to redeem your Domino's gift card, all you have to do is just go to dominos.com or .go.in depending upon the region that you live in. And once you see the website at the very top, if you're logged in, that's fine. If you're not also, then you can just click this gift card option that you can find from the very top. So you want to make sure to just click on the gift card button there. Once you click on gift cards over here, what you need to do is just scroll down. Here you can see how to redeem and redeem online. So first thing you can do is you can just place your order, and when you head over to the payment method page, you can select voucher or card details, and inside that card details, like you would normally use any other card, you can simply use your gift card number. If you're not sure how much balance you have on a gift card, here at the bottom right you will find this pop-up called check balance or validate. So you want to make sure to just click on this button here. Once you've done that, on the next page, just make sure to verify the captcha, enter your gift card voucher or number, click on the submit button, and then your Domino's gift card will get successfully redeemed. This way you can redeem your Domino's gift card. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.